What's good, my people? It's your boy Denzel Effects. We are back again with another video. So in today's video, what we're doing is basically I'm going to make it a two-part video. Part one of the video is we're actually going to collect a new laptop over here. As you can see, it's been a very long time coming because I have been using some sweet laptops, but I'm not going to shit where I eat. I'm very thankful for the laptops I have been using, as it was a gift from my girlfriend and my sister at the time. I have now returned the laptops to them, and I am ready to go collect my new laptop. So in today's video, part one is actually just us going to collect the laptop here, which has been ready for collection. And in the second part of this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be breaking down all the trades we have taken in our Discord chat. I'm going to drop the link inside the bio for the Discord chat, okay? So if you guys are interested in doing that, let me know. And the second part to that is to answer your questions is that no, the Discord chat is not for free. For the last time, everybody's always asking. Everything has a price in life. You get me? So yeah, if you want to join the chat, I'll leave everything in the bio. We're going to take it from there. And yeah, we're excited to go get the laptop. We'll see what it's saying. And yeah, let's go. So take a look at that car. That's my dream car right there, Range Rover Evoque with the nice doors. But yeah, my people, what we're doing now is we have collected the goddamn device. Yeah. So we got a MacBook Pro, my people. And I'm very excited. I'm very happy about that. I'm happy to treat myself with the MacBook Pro. And if you don't know about most laptops, especially MacBooks, Apple products, is that basically they don't have USB ports or HDMI cables and all that kind of stuff. So I had to go ahead and buy this extension thing. Shit cost me 59 beans, man. But it is what it is, you know. MacBook people, Apple likes to take people's money and all that kind of stuff. You buy one thing, you need to buy an adapter, an extension, this and this. I'm not here to complain. I'm here to be grateful. You already know the vibes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go get the car washed, go back home, do an unboxing to this thing here, and just see basically what's happening. As you can see, I'm surrounded by some bad cars right now. We got a nice little Porsche over here. But it's not about the Porsche. It's not about the Porsche. I'll tell you what it's about. It's about this bad boy right here. This BMW 1 Series. This is my baby. As you can see, she needs a car wash. She's getting very dirty. But yeah, we're going to go get her washed and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, see you in the next part. Baby girl just got washed. You can see. Woo. Look at her. Look at her shine. Right, people. I've already opened this, by the way, but I haven't actually opened the laptop itself. But as you can see, right now we're rocking with the MacBook Air. I already showed you this in the shops already, so it's really not just a type USB-C adapter, right? But what I'm here to show you is this bad boy. Because originally I thought I got a MacBook Pro, but it wasn't. It was actually a MacBook Air. Well, yeah, guys, listen, right? I'm extremely excited to actually open up this thing here. Like overall, like I said, I was I was down bad using my sister's and my girlfriend's laptop while I'm trading. But you already know, like I said, sometimes you just gotta treat yourself to something nice. You get me? And that's what we've done now. I decided to use my little something to level up and get myself a nice MacBook Air. You feel me? But yeah, basically, I got the MacBook Air Space Gray. MacBook Air Space Gray, as you can see. The reason why I chose this is simply because it works really good for when you're trading and traveling. Obviously, I like to travel a lot and do my little thing here and there. So when you're putting these things into your school bag or into your backpack, it fits nice and perfectly. Zap. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, with that being said, the downfalls of these laptops is that they only have literally 2 ports, and that's only Type-C ports. So obviously the old laptops I used to use were Dell laptops, and the thing about that is they have multiple ports. You can even plug in the Ethernet cable and all that kind of stuff. Whereas for this, it's very minimal. You only have a headphone jack and these 2 over here. So yeah, that's that. And it really is what it is. Like, the memory and everything on this is really good, as well as for video editing and all that good stuff, which is what I'm going to be looking to do, obviously, with my editing, try to make it better for you guys and all that stuff. But continuing on here with the unboxing, you guys already know what this is about over here. Is that you plug this thing in, charge the laptop, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm probably not going to do it up like a powering up the laptop. The next part of the video is just literally me when everything's been downloaded, all my video editing stuff. I'll log into TradingView and just get straight into the breakdown on how we made 9% this month, my people. And just to put that into perspective, on a live account with 9% and 100K accounts, that is literally 9,000 US dollars. US American dollars, if that helps. You get me? And with these figures, you can obviously use this to pass all your challenges, you know. So just keep that in mind if you want to take part. Like I said in the last clip, link in bio. As you can see, here we've got the charger. Very simple. Plug it into this side, and when you're charging the laptop, you do the exact same thing on the other side. Bang! Continuing on with the unboxing, we have something from designed in California, my people. Long Beach, California. I'm guessing this is just a little handbook. Woo! Not just a handbook. We got 2 Apple stickers. You get me? Just gonna stick this on some random things in the house and all that stuff. And anything else? Any other surprises in here other than the 2 stickers? Just a little handbook on how it actually works. Touchpad. Oh, and it has a Touch ID power button. Sick. Yeah, this is just for me to just take a look at and all that stuff. But yeah, I think that's actually it. Very, very simple unboxing. Nothing too major, nothing too minor. The specs. Okay, we're gonna get into the specs before we wrap it up. So basically, as you can see here, this laptop is 8 gig, 8 gigabyte unified memory, and as you can see, 256 gigabyte SSD. That means when I'm editing my video, you'll be seeing me extra clear, my people, and I'll be making sure them edits are busting. But yeah, we'll keep it at that. If you want the link to this laptop and all that kind of stuff for the traders out there that are into this, I'm going to drop it in the description or in the bio of this video, so you don't have to be looking at all that kind of stuff. So it is a MacBook Air Space Gray. The price of this will vary depending on the country you live in. For me, the price of this was 1,229 euro. In US dollar, that will be, I don't know, $1,300. In pounds, it could be even more or even less, depending on all that stuff. And for them people, I think I'm forgazing. As you can see, here's the price, 1,229. Yeah, 1,229. So people, part 1 of this video has come to an end. As you can see, we've done the unboxing, we've collected the laptop, we're happy now. So we're gonna roll into part 2 of the video and actually do some chart work, okay? So yeah, my people, I will see you guys in part 2 of the video. Let's get it. Okay, my people, so as you can see, it's part 2 of the video now. We are looking at the charts, our favorite part. So this is basically how our January went down. We gained a total of 9%. First couple of days were a bit rocky from the first trade, 1% was locked in. Then the rest 3 trades, 3 losing trades in a row. It's not good on the self-esteem of trading when you lose trades in a row, but it is what it is. But as you can see, our favorite pair, GBP, JPY, always comes through whenever we're feeling low. But anyway, boom, we end the month with 9%. And like I said previously, 9% is really a lot when you look at it on the bigger picture. So imagine you have a 100K account and you make 9% in 1 month. So that's basically 9,000. 50K account, you make 4,500. And these figures are like very, very good in my opinion. These figures will change your life. So imagine you say, well, let's just say you have a good month, 9% consecutively, 2 months in a row. That'll be 18,000 on a 100K account. And I believe you, and you believe me, we can make a whole lot of shit happen with 18,000 in 2 months, But yeah, so just taking a look at January in itself, one of the main things we're focusing on is just taking very, very close attention to price action, especially on the higher time frame, so we can scope in on lower time frames and then pull the trigger to get these amazing trades. So we're just going to take a look at some of the winning trades and some of the losing trades, just to show you like how it actually goes down. So obviously, like I said, we'll take a quick look at Swiss JPY and then one of the other pairs as well, so you can see basically what's actually going down. So here we're going to go to Swiss JPY. So yeah, overall, this was coming into 2023. As you can see here, I actually did get into a buying opportunity. Although I already knew price was already in a big downtrend, my point of thought at this moment in time was I have seen this pattern play out so many times. So what I'm expecting to see is price to come up here, grab liquidity, and then sell off to the downside. But as you can see here, I had my entry somewhere down here. 1% was locked in over here. So after price pushed up here, tagged me out, 1%, can't complain. But as you can see, if I didn't, I would have had a minus 1% loss on this trade. And yeah, it is what it is. So from here, we're going to jump into GBP Swiss, see what that was saying. So GBP Swiss, what actually happened was this is our setup over here. It was a nice 1:4. I was expecting price to actually come back all the way into this area, because if we jump into towards the line chart, we can see we had a break of structure, we had impulse, we have correction. These are all the ticks we need to have before we enter a trade. Price showed us signs of rejection, as you can see. Then from here, boom. We were actually in this trade for like a few days anyway. Price pushed towards the downside, but unfortunately, it didn't come to grab the liquidity I thought it would come to get, which was even all the way down somewhere here, 1:6. And the way it's moving now, it's probably going to come now and get it, but it is what it is. We'll get involved sooner or later. Yeah, so that's the 2 trades here. So 1% was locked in, so is here. We'll look at one more of the losses here. So Euro NZD. Euro NZD loss. So my point of thought around these days was that price was actually in a bearish market for most of these pairs. So if it wasn't a bearish market, I'm looking for bearish opportunities. I did think price was actually even going to come all the way down here, but obviously it didn't. If I jump in towards the line chart, all I need to see is we had, price failed to make a new higher high. It broke below. As you can see here, it came back to retest. It formed a new lower low. So at this point in time, I'm thinking we have one lower low here, one lower low here, one lower low here. So I'm expecting for price to make at least one more, so price can then push towards the upside. But like I said, unfortunately, it didn't do that. I got tagged out. It is what it is. So at these moments in time, all I'm thinking is I'm thinking in probabilities. So my first trade was all right. My next 3 trades was 3 different losses, only 3%, as you can see. So one thing we need to understand is this is basically how risk management works, my people. So if I'm only risking 1% to gain 3% back, it's easy for me to lose 3 trades in a row and let my next winning trade actually cover that. And as you can see from there, I was actually back on a winning streak. Then I lost one, then I won one again. So always let your wins cover your losses. So in that way, you will always be covered. So I could lose 6 trades in a row and my next 2 trades, if they hit TP, I'm back up. Simple as that. So we'll just take another look here, and we'll actually just scroll up a little bit into the chat and just see basically what's been going down, give you a little insight on our last trade that we had taken. So basically, here's what I said the day before price actually pushed towards the downside. So my current bias on GJ was a potential sell. So as you can see here, I want my sell stops to be triggered. However, if you look at the JP basket, it's selling off, which means we should be buying. That's what JP basket was telling us at the time, but we're still looking for sells. So as you can see, this is basically what I was looking to get involved in. Then boom, got involved, sell stop trigger instantly, pushed towards the downside, got the retest, and price just started to plummet towards the downside. But I believe after NFP on Friday, price actually did reverse back towards the upside. But this is just a little insight to what's actually happening in the charts. Here's another one over here. We had a break, wick rejection, price shoots off to the upside, and as you can see, we always call this, we have short-term momentum towards the upside and all that good stuff. But yeah, my people, this is just going to wrap it up for this video. And please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because all the gems I'm just going to be dropping now is going to be A1, my people. So I don't want you guys to miss out. And like I said, once we hit 2K subscribers on this thing, we are going to do a giveaway. I don't really care how long it takes, but once that 2K has been hit, I will bless you guys with a little surprise, But without further ado, let there be peace in the Middle East, and let my brothers and sisters be safe.